Hey guys, this is the Misshia Perfect Cover BB Cream SPF 42 PA+++, number 23 color. I have been using this product for years and years and years, at least a decade, and I am never going back to any other foundation or skincare product. I don't need it. This thing does it all. It protects your skin from sun. It covers up all the imperfections like my rosacea. It sort of oxidizes on the skin, so if it's not perfectly set to your color, of course they do come in different shades, but this one seems to work for my pale skin. I love the texture of it. It's a very thick cream, so that might not be to the liking of a lot of people, but it certainly is for me. You can definitely build it up. You know, BB cream is originally designed to hide scars, so and I like a more matte, full coverage look. But if you like less full coverage, just apply less of it, and it goes well under powders as well. See, it's looking a bit gray here, but honestly, the gray sort of fades out. And if you're a woman over a certain age, I think you will really like this because it does cover up imperfections, but it lets your natural skin shine through. Initially, it looks a bit cakey, and then it settles in. Doesn't settle into my fine lines, though, but it settles into the skin and lets your natural skin come through. So try this out. If you're like me, you won't go back to any of those expensive brands. My gosh, I've tried so many foundations. I've given up. I'm just sticking to this because I don't need primer. I don't need moisturizer. This is all you need. So yeah, Misshia is great. Tried a lot of they do have other formulas of BB cream, but this particular shade and this particular formulation is the one that I like best. It's the most full coverage. And yeah, I recommend it, particularly for women who prefer a creamier but not greasy formula that has a good amount of coverage. Like really, I wouldn't call it super full coverage, but if you build it up, it is for sure. You can often get this on Amazon in packs of 2, which is how I prefer to buy it. And it lasts me, a 2-pack can last me up to a year. You don't need that much. And when I'm traveling, I like to decant it into little containers like this, although this is holding something else at the moment, and that will last me a while too. So yes, Misshia Perfect Cover BB Cream.